Hey friends, how are you? I hope you're having a great day today. Today we will be making a mosquito, so let's get started. The first thing that we'll want to do is make a circle for our mosquito's head. Now we're going to make 2 straight lines up. And then we are going to make some eyes for our mosquito. Our eyes are going to be pretty big, so let's make some round circles with some dots inside. Now we're going to make a very long letter V, and we're going to attach a body onto our mosquito, and that's a long backwards letter C. Let's put some wings on our mosquito, and those are just going to be some curved lines. And then let's put some legs. Mosquitoes have 6 legs. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. And then remember, we need to make the back legs as well. 4, 5, 6. And did you notice how on the front legs I made sure that they went over the body, and for the back legs they went behind the body? Let's put a few little stripes on our mosquito. And then I wonder what kind of background we can have. I'm thinking I'm just going to make some clouds around him. That will show that he's flying in the sky. You can do whatever you'd like though as far as a background for your mosquito. Alrighty friends, I hope that you enjoyed this lesson. I'll see you next time.